Come test drive the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, cargo net, cargo cover, manual climate control, wheel locks, first aid kit. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.